6:30 a.m. That alarm isn't just a sound, it's a declaration of defeat before the war even begins. You feel the heavy, crushing weight of a life you didn't choose, dragging you down into the sheets like an anchor. You hit snooze, not because you're tired, but because you are terrified of the reality waiting for you outside that bedroom door. Every morning you delay, you are literally voting to stay stuck in the same broke, stressed, and exhausted version of yourself. You pick up that phone and instantly feed your brain with 50 notifications. News about crises, someone else's highlight reel, and work emails demanding your life. Before you've even taken a breath, your mind is hijacked by fear, jealousy, and stress. Your potential is being sold off for pennies. While you are lying in the dark, letting the world drain your energy, somewhere across town, a self-made millionaire is already 90 minutes ahead of you. They aren't smarter than you. They weren't born with a golden spoon. They just realized one singular, brutal, hard truth. If you lose the first hour of your day, you surrender your entire life. Are you done being a prisoner to your own bed?
You reach for your phone like a desperate addict. You want a distraction, but all you find is a digital poison. You feed your brain stress, envy, and the highlight reels of people who are already winning while you're barely surviving. You aren't waking up, you're being hijacked. That chemical spike you feel, that's not energy, that's your ambition being sold off. You drag yourself out of bed, staggering like a zombie straight to the coffee machine, trying to bribe your body into waking up. Stop feeding your potential to the machines. Every time you scroll first thing in the morning, your brain experiences a violent crash. You start your day in a defensive, reactive posture. You are reacting to your boss, reacting to bills, reacting to everyone else's priorities. You feel like a hamster in a wheel spinning out of control, working 40 hours a week yet somehow ending up with zero savings. Doesn't that terrify you? That you are trading your life for a paycheck that barely covers your rent? This isn't just a bad habit, it's an emotional trap that keeps you poor, tired, and completely broken.
Silence. The world is dead, and for the first time, you are alive. No fake noise, no digital leashes. You drink the cold water and you feel your soul wake up. This is the sacred hour where millionaires are born. While the average person is rotting in bed, you are reclaiming your throne. This isn't just a routine, it's a rebellion. You are not meant to struggle, you are meant to conquer. This quiet confidence is where real financial wealth begins. No notifications, no screaming bosses, no chaotic demands. You are creating a fortress around your mental energy. This is where you separate yourself from the herd. You are building the foundation of an empire while they are still dreaming. You aren't running away from the day. You are stepping up to command it. This is the power of the 5 a.m. club. Deep down, you know this. You know that to have what they have, you must do what they do. It starts with a choice. It starts right now. Are you ready to command your life, or will you let life command you?
Why are you filling your mind with garbage? Every podcast you listen to, every video you scroll, it's either building your future or burying it. The average person fuels their mind with noise. They build a mindset of scarcity, feeling powerless against the world. The wealthy treat their minds like an impenetrable vault. Only high-value input gets deposited. You are either filling it with knowledge that makes you dangerous or noise that keeps you poor. Pick a side. You have to protect your focus. The world will try to distract you. Do not let them. Think about the math. Reading just 15 pages every morning equals 18 powerful books a year. In 5 years, that's 90 books of pure leverage. That is how you buy your way out of the rat race. While the average person spends 5 years complaining about their income, you are acquiring the knowledge that guarantees your freedom. Are you building a fortune, or are you just waiting to die? The choice is made every single morning.
Most people spend their lives doing fake work, tasks that make them feel busy but keep them broke. But the elite, they hunt the most painful, difficult task first. They kill their biggest problem before the world even wakes up. They live by a brutal rule: eat the frog. Do the hardest thing first. If you can't face the one thing that scares you, you'll never face the life you want. Stop dodging the hard tasks. Stop hiding behind your email. Face the monster head on. When you conquer your biggest fear first thing in the morning, the rest of the day feels effortless. You move from a victim mindset to an unstoppable force of execution. This is how you build a life that is truly yours, one task at a time, one victory at a time. Do the hard thing now, because the version of you that succeeds is the version that doesn't quit.
You are dying. Every second that ticks by is a part of your life you will never get back. And you're trading it for a job you hate? You're wasting it on apps that don't care if you live or die? This is the greatest theft in human history, and you're the one letting it happen. Your time is burning. Wake up! If you don't respect your time, the market will never respect your value. Here is the biggest lie. Money is valuable. It's not. Time is. You can make money back, but not time. Every beat of your heart is a second lost. Don't waste it on things that don't build your legacy. Stop trading your life away for crumbs. You are capable of so much more than this. Use time blocking. Every 30 minutes must serve a purpose. If it doesn't build your future, cut it out. Time is the only currency that doesn't have a refund policy. Spend it wisely.
You want to know why you're still broke? Because you did the same thing 1,000 days in a row. But the compound effect? That is the law of the universe. Small, painful disciplines today become your massive empire tomorrow. Don't look for luck. Don't look for a miracle. Look for the next 120 minutes. That is where your legacy lives. Small daily choices are either bankrupting you or making you rich. Bitterness is the result of potential wasted. But success? That's the result of showing up when you didn't want to. It's not about one giant leap. It's about 1,000 tiny steps in the right direction. Your habits define your destiny. You are what you do every morning, not what you do once in a while. Even when it feels like nothing is happening, keep going. Compounding works in silence. Keep building. Keep pushing. The reward for your discipline is waiting for you at the end.
It's time to stop lying to yourself. You are either the victim of your morning or the master of your destiny. Look at the two paths. One is a graveyard of dreams, and the other is a highway to freedom. Which one are you choosing? Because the world doesn't care about your excuses. It only cares about your output. Stop spectating and start dominating. Excuses are the nails used to build the house of failure. You are hiding your true potential behind the mask of being normal. Take it off. You are the weather. You control the storm or the calm. Choose to be the calm that conquers. You have to take the leap. Nobody is going to push you. You have to push yourself. You were never trapped. You just forgot you had the key. The key is your morning. The person you are today is a choice. Is that the person you want to be? Decide now.
I don't want you to like this video. I want you to change your life. Tonight, put that phone away. Tomorrow morning, you are going to war for your future. No distractions, no excuses. Write down your goal. Make it real. Make it non-negotiable. We are doing a 30-day challenge. 1 month to change everything. Are you in? If you're ready to kill the average version of yourself and become the 1%, subscribe now. Hit that button and join the army of people who refuse to stay average. We don't wait for success. We build it. Drop a comment right now. I'm ready. Prove that you're not just watching, you're doing. Let's get to work. Your new life starts tomorrow morning. I'll see you there.